In this video, I'll show you how to activate QLink wireless eSIM on your iPhone. First, click onto your iPhone settings. Then click onto Cellular. Once you clicked on Cellular, scroll down and you'll see an option called Add eSIM. Click on that. Then you'll see two options: Transfer from nearby iPhone and Use QR code. Select Use QR code. You'll then see your iPhone camera opening. If QLink Wireless has sent you a code, use that to scan it. Or else you can enter details manually. For that, you need to enter your SMTP address, your activation code, and your confirmation code. After entering this information, click on to Next and then follow the prompts. And just like that, you can activate your QLink wireless eSIM on your iPhone. For more quick tutorials, give this video a like and subscribe.